How to enable the missing MIUI optimization toggle in developer options on any Xiaomi, Redmi or Poco device. Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable the missing MIUI optimization toggle in developer options on any Xiaomi, Redmi or Poco device. Why do you need to enable or disable this toggle? Well, this is needed for those of you who are interested in installing YouTube Vanced on your Xiaomi devices. So for starters, first thing we need to do is enable developer options. So you'll go into settings, about phone, all specs, MIUI version, tap on it 7 times. You will get a toast notification that you are now a developer. Next thing, we can go back and then we'll go back into settings, additional settings, developer options. Here it is, developer options have been enabled. Now if you scroll down all the way, you should have the toggle to enable or disable MIUI optimization right here, but in this case it is missing. So if I go to developer options on my Poco F1, so we'll go into settings, additional settings and developer options. Scroll down, you will see that I do have the option for turn on MIUI optimization. This toggle is missing over here. How do you enable it? All you need to do is tap on reset to default values. Autofill developer options have been reset and bam, there it is. The toggle for turn on MIUI optimization has appeared. And there it is. It doesn't get any easier than that. Of course, if it doesn't work for you, I do recommend you to read the pinned comment on this video, because if we find another workaround, that will be mentioned in the pinned comment. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.